Hi, Victoria Pinder with Alan Victoria Sells Home. We're going to take a tour of a 3119 home, which is new construction somebody's buying. But I want to show you what this model looks like from Adams Homes. That way you can decide if you want one of these maybe for yourself. They do have other models available, so I'd like to show you when we get. So they are lovely enough to show us. So 2-car garage. You can see this is a big house, 3,119 square feet. So we are going to time it. This one, they got a corner unit, so I'm just going to run a little bit because I don't want to get wet. All right. Welcome. So you can see a porch. You can put a chair there or something to come in. And now we're going to come inside.
Hi, it's Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
Also, you call text all the time, 252-327-3357. We love talking to you. Don't be shy. Also, grab our buyer's guide and seller's guide in the description below.
And I could turn the light on right there. That's okay. Come on in. We are going to see what... Now, I know everybody's going to say open concept, open concept, open concept, right? And it's like, oh, maybe that. But sometimes we have to be practical with what our house needs are. So in this foyer section, if you have a business and you're running at home, the Victorian era is back a little bit in the fact that if you work from home and you want someone to be able to come into your door but not really see the rest of your house, this is not a bad model at all because you just kind of hang out here in this little section. You have a little roll. You're not really seeing much of the house. You see a little bit, but with that door closed, you're not going to see much. This way, this person can come in and then leave, and then they haven't actually seen your house. This is not for everybody, but if you do work from home, this is a consideration people have. Then when we step into the house, and we've passed the foyer section, now the foyer's over here, and now we're in this beautiful home, and it is open enough. You can be in the kitchen, you can be watching TV, you can have your TV either here or here. Decide where you want it, and then you can kind of really enjoy your space. Also, you do have open concept to where you have granite counters, a sink that is looking, so if I am watching TV or my family's sitting in the kitchen, I don't have to be hidden alone. Appliances, of course, and before we leave, they do have the option of having something like this, which is a, outside real quick, you can see they chose to have as well a covered patio. So this covered patio is an extra $7,500, but if you are someone who sits on the patio, it is something to consider. This house also has, if you're thinking, where's my table going to go in this area? Well, we have a formal dining room for that. So we are now in the formal dining room. And so this is a place where you, obviously the table goes here. And then you can have round, square, rectangle, whatever kind of table you want to have. So you can see this house has fully functional area. This is a closet, which is a big closet. I didn't show you the back room, so let me just do that. Refrigerator goes over here. Refrigerator where I would be a refrigerator, and I did not open the pantry for you. So let's go open the pantry so you can see you do have decent space to see into the pantry. Now, moving on, we're going to go to the primary bedroom, which is on the first floor. Oh, before we do that, we're going to go to the half bath, actually. Here by the door, you do have a half bath. I did also put the light on. There you go. You do have a half bath for guests who are downstairs. You don't have to run upstairs. Keep it simple. Now, let's go into the primary. Primary bedroom is on the first floor. That sound you hear, we will try to denoise, but they're watering the grass outside. So that is what that sound is, to make sure it's lovely for the homeowner. So the king size bed can go there. You can still have table, nightstands, double sink, quartz countertop, shower tub combo. Shower hook goes here. Toilet is here. And honestly, if you have a baby, this closet could hold the baby, no problem. I know it's a full-size closet, but it is really close. And I just want to point out, this closet even has a window, which is crazy. Double pane window. So, let's go upstairs now to the other 5 bedrooms. And you heard that right, 5. This is a 6-bedroom. Okay, you want to see the garage? Let's do that. Double car garage, water heaters out there. water heater, and electrical panel over there. Now let's go to the other 5 bedrooms. And you heard me right, 5. You have stairs that do not face the door, so that is important for some cultures. Now, at the top of the stairs, I have choices. I can go left or right, but we're going to go this way so we can do a full round of the tour. Here is the bonus area, the family hangout area. If you want to keep your downstairs formal, this is the informal place where people can watch TV and have fun. Honestly, this is a lovely area. And then to continue the fun part of it, this is technically a bedroom, but I know this will probably be used as an office or a little bit more of a extension of whatever's going on in the bonus room. But you have the double doors. You do have a closet. And this one has the double doors. Continuing on, we do have a linen closet here. Then you have bedroom number 2, I guess, upstairs. Double doors. You can definitely fit a queen in here. And what's interesting about this one and the next bathroom is if you've got kids, this is the shared bathroom. Double sinks, it's a Jack and Jill closet, regular tub, shower, and then we are into the next bedroom. So I could have come right up the stairs. Actually could have come right up the stairs. But now I'm in the 3rd bedroom. Upstairs. Huge closet in this one. This one has the bigger, deeper closet, but it is actually the same size we've measured it. But you can see you can definitely fit a bed in here easy. Moving on, you wondered where you're going to do the laundry? Well, this is the laundry room. It's very big. Washer dryer goes here. You could honestly have something here to like iron your clothes or, if you want a bench or something. Very easy to get to. Next bedroom, bedroom number 4. This is a huge closet. Huge closet. It actually has a light in there that's how big. Definitely can fit you could honestly fit a king size bed in this bedroom if you needed to. This is a very big bedroom. It has 1 window. And yes, they are looking at the corner. And again, that sound is that they are doing landscaping. The next bedroom. No, we're going to the bathroom. 3rd bathroom. This one has a single sink, toilet, and shower. In here, you have number 5. Another big, huge bedroom. Honestly, you could easily have a king-size bed in here. And this closet's even more massive. Walk in there. Yes, this closet also has a window. So if you are looking for a house with a lot of room, and this house might work for you, we are happy to talk about your options. Please call us at 252-327-3357.